So in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about whether or not you need an electric toothbrush. I'm going to start by saying that I personally do not use an electric toothbrush, but we'll get into that more later. Essentially though, you want to think of it this way. If you're doing a DIY project and you're hammering some nails into a board and your nails end up looking like this, are you going to blame the hammer? Are you going to go out and buy an electric drill for $200 and hope that you do a better job with that? Well, it's the same concept with a toothbrush. You gotta learn the basics before you go out and buy some fancy equipment to clean your teeth with. And for that, you can refer to video number 2, because here's what I typically see when I come to work. Hi there, I'm Christina. I'll be your dental hygienist today. Please take a seat. Oh, well, thank you. So tell me a little bit about your home care routine on a daily basis. What does that typically look like?
Well, my dentist told me that I don't do a very good job with my regular toothbrush, so he told me I should get an electric one, so I did, and I use that one like 3 times a day or something.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, let's take a look.
Looking good in there?
Learn the basics. Yes, the electric toothbrush may be more powerful, but that doesn't mean it's going to get your teeth any cleaner if you're not using it correctly. Now, let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons of an electric toothbrush. We'll start with the pros. Number 1, it's really helpful if you have dexterity issues, meaning if you don't have very good hand-eye coordination and you're just brushing your teeth like not sure what's going on there, an electric toothbrush may be a great option for you. Number 2 is many electric toothbrushes have a built-in timer. It basically breaks your teeth up into 4 quadrants, and it helps you keep track of when you can move on to the next section of your mouth, so it helps keep you accountable in that sense. Number 3, it gives you a deeper clean. Alright, I'll admit, when I use an electric toothbrush, my teeth do feel squeaky clean, but that squeaky clean comes with a price, which leads us into the cons list. Number 1 on the list is that deeper clean. Like I said, a deeper clean comes with a price. The electric toothbrush is so powerful that it can very easily damage your gums or even your teeth if you use it too aggressively, which is super easy to do with an electric toothbrush. So if you find that your teeth are starting to look like this, that's a good sign that you're using your toothbrush too aggressively. You gotta ease up a little, because it really doesn't take much to remove plaque. If it's hardened on there and if it's turned into tartar, your toothbrush isn't gonna remove it anyways. Number 2 on the cons list is electric toothbrushes can tend to be bulky. So if you're a traveler, sometimes it can be a little cumbersome having to put everything into your container and bring your charger. And of course you're going to Italy, so you might need an adapter. Okay, so maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but it is a little bit more bulky than a regular toothbrush. Last on the cons list is expensive. An electric toothbrush can literally be 100 times more expensive than a regular toothbrush. Granted, I'm talking top of the line with all the new Bluetooth features and whatnot, but still, there's definitely a price difference. Anyways, I want to talk a little bit more about my personal relationship with an electric toothbrush. We've already established that I don't really use an electric toothbrush for my daily cleaning routine. I do use it maybe twice a year just to tidy things up in there. The other thing is, will I ever use an electric toothbrush? Definitely. I plan on switching over to an electric toothbrush for my daily use when I'm 70 years old or something. My hands are kind of weaker. Maybe I can't hold a regular toothbrush as well. Anyways, at the end of the day, when you look at this pros and cons list, it's still your choice if you want to buy an electric toothbrush or not. Which brings me to my final point. If you're still planning on using your electric toothbrush, or if you plan on buying one soon, stay tuned, because in my next couple of videos, I will show you how to use an electric toothbrush properly, and I'm going to compare the leading brands of electric toothbrushes to help you make a decision as to which one is better to buy. So thank you all for watching, and take care of your teeth.